How to record audio in Podcastle AI for free. Firstly, you'll need to log in to the Podcastle AI website. If you haven't got an account yet, no worries. I've linked a tutorial in the description box below that tells you exactly how you can create one for free. Once you've logged in, click the Create button on the upper left side of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click Project. Next, you'll see the Record Audio tool in the selection. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. Ensure your mic is ready and click Start Recording to get started. Make sure you speak clearly and at a consistent volume for the best audio quality. Once you've finished recording, hit the red square button at the top of your screen to stop the recording, just like you would on a traditional recorder. But wait, what's that? Do you want to tidy up your recording a little bit? No problem. Click on your recording graph and you'll find 3 little dots. Click on those and you'll find the editing tools. Last but not least, it's time to save your recording. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the Export button. Simply click it and select your desired format and quality for the voice record. Then, hit the Export File button to save your new audio onto your computer.